Yes.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica UG. If you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, you're the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. So today I am bringing you a video about Nakivubo Stadium. We are going to go through each and every section and just endeavor to watch the full video. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet, and like, share and comment. So let's get into the video. Guys, let me introduce to you Mr. Msinguzi is one of the people I followed before even starting my YouTube journey. Actually, in my first videos I have a video with him, and I'm so excited to find him. How are you?
Hi guys, happy 2024. I'm here with Veronica. Thank you guys for watching our content. Thank you for supporting what she shows you. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and help her grow and become one of the greatest content creators. And don't forget to actually share this video with someone else who you know will need to watch it. We're here in Nakivubo Stadium. This is one of the biggest currently modern stadiums we have in Uganda. And lots of things that we're seeing here, we've seen just on TV in AFCON, and we want to see those games played here in Uganda.
Exactly. Thank you.
Oh yes, this is Nakivubo Stadium that has been reconstructed by the man himself, Hamis Kiggundu. Yes, as you can see on the walls, you see his pictures right there. Okay, so let's get into the field and try to analyze or understand some of the features that makes this stadium to stand out. So guys, this that you see there are the seats for the coaches and the dangerous substitutes. So those are very comfortable chairs, but of course during the game I don't think anyone feels the comfort. It's ever a hot seat. One would wonder and think this stadium should be already operating by now, but guess what? This stadium is in its final touches. There are just a few touches that they are accomplishing, and trust me, very soon you're going to hear about the launching of this stadium. And like I said, in the third phase, there are a lot of things that you are going to see. Like, for instance, the computerized gates, which will have scanners, elevators for the disabled, establishment of more seating spaces. Should be able to accommodate about 35,000 people. There will be more restrooms, there will be more like lounges that people will even use to spend the night, right? Other places to rest. So anyways, wait for that in the third phase. And guess what? The drainage system was well built. This place initially used to flood, but guess what? The engineers have done their best to ensure that the water flows really well. And also the floodlights, just as you can see there, have been put in place to give the light, especially in times when it is dark. And that one there is also another exit. So there is a lot that has changed about this stadium, and that's one of the reasons as to why it's actually standing out. Yes, so the other unique feature about this stadium is the fact that it even has a basketball court, which can also work as a netball court, right? Yes, so just as you can see, this right here is the basketball court, but can as well be used for netball games. So everything in this field has been built in a way that it matches the international standards. Yes, those there are some of the seats that people they will be sitting on those seats as they watch the game go down. I can't wait for the first match to be played in this stadium. I promise you I'll be one of the people seated on one of those seats there. Watch out for that space. So anyways, there are different seating arrangements as I'm going to show you. Kind of like this video, please. So there are different seating arrangements here. The executive spaces, as you can see there. I'll be giving you more details. And the beauty about these executive places is these rooms are soundproofed, so you cannot actually even hear what is transpiring from that side. And these rooms also have actually the coffee makers. They have their own washrooms. They have screens inside. So basically they are built in a way that they give comfort. They give comfort to all those who will be seated in them. So that one there is a coffee maker, and then this here is the washroom. So this area here accommodates at least good number of people. At least 20 people can occupy this space. Yes, and the beauty about this is they can see everything that is going on in the field without even them, sitting down here. Basically, they are seated at the top, most comfortable place to be able to view all the corners of the field. Drop the comment down below. What do you think? What is your view about this stadium? Already, with the little that I have already mentioned and shown to you, what is your opinion? What do you think? What do you think has been missed out? What do you appreciate about this stadium? Yes, just drop down the comment down below and tell me. Let's have a conversation down there. So we have several content creators here, and guess who?
Welcome back to the channel here. I hope you guys are really love to see the exquisite, one-of-a-kind Nakivubo Stadium. My name is Ishagishan and my YouTube channel is Ishagishan's Experience. Make sure you go check out. You can watch some content here and also go over there and watch some more content.
Please do, if you're from Veronica UG and you don't know that beautiful girl, please look for her channel, Ishagishan, and subscribe.
Thank you. Say hi to them.
These are some of the washrooms at Nakivubo Stadium. There are several of them, and one would wonder why there are so many. I mean, this is supposed to help in time management. No one should come up with the excuse of, I was waiting for someone to come out of the time. And yet the second half has started. Anyways, that's a joke. But anyways, there are several changing rooms meanwhile, several of them, and in all these rooms there are fireballs which are very good at smoke detecting and also cooling down the fire, and also different firefighting equipments like the fire extinguishers, as you can see. And in all these rooms here, you can see you are not allowed to come in with those the gun. You're not supposed to smoke. You're not supposed to. Basically, it should be clean, neat, free, and fresh. Yes, we do not want anyone's health to be jeopardized. Anyways, this whole area is for, changing rooms, restrooms, washrooms. As you can see, they are super clean, and they have been built in a way that it matches the standards, the international standards, as well as the FIFA requirements. Yes, because otherwise you do things in your own way, you can't host any kind of big game. Yes, so safety is key. These are all changing rooms. The lighting in this place is top notch. Safety first, the cleanness, because at the end of the day we want healthy beings. Yes, healthy people. Yes, we do not want anyone to fall sick or anyone to have an injury. So before they are taken to the main hospital, their case is handled or first aid is provided. So this area is the media area where people are interviewed from, especially after the end of the football game. This is the media center where interviews can be done. And yes, those are the health center units that I was talking about. So any sort of injuries, any kind of illness should be handled from here first before the person is transferred to another section. This is the kids masters area. It has locks. Everyone has a lock somewhere to keep their things safe. It has also washrooms. Like I said, there are a number of washrooms. There is no excuse of somebody saying, you know what, I was waiting for someone else to get out and then I go back, I go in. You get So there are as many and clean as possible. By the way, if you've managed to reach this point as you're watching this video, kindly like the video, share it already, subscribe if you have not yet. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. Anyways, so like I said, there's several different washrooms. There are different health units. So all these health units will have all sorts of medicines, all sorts of first aid kits, all in accordance to the requirements, and to also keep our players as well as the team involved healthy and fit. Yes, so as this all was going on, there are several celebrities who had also come around and they're testing here and there, right? So as you can see, there are speak for maker, Ugandan artists, and some of the dancers were trying out these goals. He was trying to make his scores there, as you can see. Yes, so guys, like the video. Everyone is excited about this stadium, and you know what? Everyone can't wait for its launch. Yes, so you can see people's appetite is at 90%. So anyways, so talking about fitness, this stadium comes with a fitness center. It's called Hamis Fitness Center. It has all sorts of equipments for bodybuilding, for any kind of fitness that you would want. Please, and this is operating as we speak. Visit them, and they have fair prices, so visit them and work out. Why not? And the other thing is they also have available space for advertisement. So whoever has business, if you're there or somebody who has business and wishes to advertise, please visit Ham's offices at Nakivubo and meet the management. They'll take you through, and why not? You have your business advertised at the very affordable prices and at one of the most prestigious and famous stadium. Other than that, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Veronica. You just subscribe, take a notification bell.
Guys, let me welcome another friend of mine here.
Hi, how are you guys? My name is Mansekcha. Welcome to Veronica UG channel. Please make sure you subscribe, comment, and share her videos, please.
Thank you.